Hi there, students. Ballot. A ballot. A countable noun. It can also be uncountable. Or to ballot as a verb. Okay, a ballot is a vote, but normally in secret. So when you have a general election and you put your X against the candidate that you want, you put your vote, your ballot, into the ballot box. Okay? Notice a ballot needs to be secret. It needs to be in such a way that nobody knows who or what you have voted for. So a show of hands is not a ballot because everybody can see. The MPs are elected by a ballot, by an election. Everybody cast their vote, cast their ballot in secret. Okay, they held a ballot. So it can be the piece of paper that you put in the ballot box. Yeah, you could put something to a ballot. Yeah, put something to the ballot to decide. So people write their opinion on a piece of paper. So a ballot to vote secretly on a particular matter. There seems to be a disagreement among the group. So let's put it to the ballot. And then you cast your ballot, you cast your vote. So to put something to the ballot and to cast your ballot, to vote, to actually put it in the box. The union decided to call a ballot to decide whether they would go on strike or not. And the result of the ballot will be known later this evening. Okay, yes, you could have ballot rigging. So Mr. Trump is accusing the Democrats of ballot rigging, to rig an election, to rig something, to do it unfairly. Yeah, the delegates were elected by secret ballot. We organised a ballot to find out what people thought about this. We balloted the members to discover their opinions on it. Yeah, a ballot's a system of secret voting. So let's see. Let's look at the origin of this word before we go on. Okay, ballot comes from ballotta in Italian, which is a small ball. And very often in clubs and different places, there are black balls and white balls, and the white balls mean yes and the black balls mean no. And you would put your ball, black or white, into the bag. Yeah, and that's the idea of a ballot. So the original meaning is a small ball placed in some sort of container to cast your vote or to cast your ballot. But nowadays, by extension, it's the paper or the piece of card that you use to mark who you're going to vote for. A ballot, the process of voting, especially in secret. Yeah, the ballot, the total of all the votes cast in an election. Yeah, and then to ballot, to decide by ballot. So we balloted a candidate. Maybe a candidate could be blackballed. If there's one black ball in the box by the votes of members, somebody can't join the club. Oh dear, I can't be a member of the club. Okay, so a ballot, yeah, a ballot box, the place where you put your votes. The ballot, the sheet of paper which you used to register your vote with, yeah. The ballot, the right to vote, you're franchised, you're not disenfranchised. Okay, so this is to ballot. So how formal is this? I think I would probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but I think a vote or to vote would be much more common. Maybe I'm even going to raise it to a 6.5 in formality. It sounds a bit legal and formal in itself, but you can certainly, most certainly use it. Okay, so I think we should have a ballot to decide who the best English teacher is on YouTube. We'll cast our votes. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ballot.